What is it about the very young that so easily brings a smile to our face? Why should we find babies who are not our own so appealing? Some would say that cute is in the eye of the beholder, that some little faces only a mother could love. But in fact, it seems we're hardwired to find certain little ones adorable, even if they're not our own kind. And we can't help but root for them as they make their way in the world. These are the stories of young creatures all across the animal kingdom. It is a celebration of their journey into adulthood through a world full of adventure, discovery, and triumph. In a rural corner of Virginia, a rooster's call brings a farm to life. On this sleepy day, the farm's newest inhabitants are slow to greet the morning. But every new day promises a series of fresh adventures full of endless possibilities. Just days old, a newborn calf seizes the opportunity to reaffirm its bond with its mother. Tucked away in the safety of a barn, a litter of kittens hone their predatory skills. In the corner of her pen, a mother hog sings a lullaby to her nursing young. Nine little piglets, 4 weeks old, are raised on the sounds of their mother's voice. Nursing is an energetic event, with each piglet usually laying claim to a single nipple. In the safety of their pen, these piglets will be sheltered and protected. But life is a lot more tenuous for those babies born in the wild. There are many ways of coming into the world, and each baby's entrance is both unique and extraordinary. Some babies start life without the help of a parent. Tiny and independent, they arrive with the instinct they need to survive on their own. A hatchling turtle will never know its mother, and within minutes of birth, it is prepared to embark on a lifetime journey. But starting out as an egg doesn't always mean going it alone. For up to 40 days, this penguin father shares brooding duties with